What's happening, my beautiful people on YouTube? How are you guys today? It's a beautiful day today, and I wanted to come out and post a bit of cryptocurrency related content for you guys. So hopefully you get value out of this, and if you do, my name is David Pindo. Hit the subscribe button so you get more videos from me, and let's get into it. So we are having a good run with Bitcoin over the last few days. Tax season is over in the US, so maybe that has a large impact to what is happening right now. I'm not going to go into speculate or anything as such, but I wanted to let you know that we are on an uptrend at the moment. It's not really bullish as it could be, but it definitely is on a positive upward trend. Okay, that's the first thing that I want to tell you. The second thing, guys, is that any kind of advice that you receive on this channel is not financial advice, so please don't take it as it is. But I want to show you a method, okay? I want to show you a strategy. I literally want to give you the tools that you can start to generate income through cryptocurrency. Now, there are only 3 ways that you can generate money through cryptocurrency. Now, don't get me wrong. There are many technologies that are built around the technology of blockchain and everything else. But in a currency itself, what are the 3 ways, whether it's cryptocurrency or fiat currency or whatever kind of currency? What are the 3 ways that you can earn with these kind of currencies? Okay, there are very few ways, and one of the 3 ways of cryptocurrencies, one is mining, the second is trading, and the third is obviously buying and selling of goods, which you and I do on a day-to-day basis when you go to a shop. So all currencies have very limited ways of how to earn them. Then you have a possibility of creating different kinds of products. So I'm not going to specify what you're selling and how you're selling and all these kind of things. But the main methods on generating income are the three ways right here that I mentioned. Okay, so in this video we're going to look at how can you as an individual or somebody who doesn't even know about cryptocurrency start to learn, firstly, what it is, secondly, how do you trade it. Okay, because having an active side to your business where you're actively trading is going to be beneficial for you. And let me show you, I'm going to get into a few results as well and talk about the product that I use if you are interested. But the point of this video is to show that trading works. Okay, question: does trading work? Does trading cryptocurrency work? Is it a good skill to learn? Let's get into that. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Facebook right now. Just go to my profile, because you guys know that I'm a real person. I love coming to you guys with real content and showing you exactly what I'm doing. So, trading results, as you can see, 11 hours ago. I'm going to show you this week what it has been for me. Okay, trading. And now I want you to make a decision. Okay, if you do like the content that you're already getting on this video, like I said before, hit the subscribe button. But if you do more than like the content, I want you to make informed thought and decision whether you want to start trading or no. If you do want to start trading, the link is in the description for you to get started. Okay, I will personally guide you also through the whole process. So this is a post I made on Facebook around 11 hours ago on like clockwork. I needed to post this again: more trades without a bot, etc., etc. This is a skill. You learn it, you earn it. Okay, it's up to you. And then I have a link in the description to what my offer is. That's yesterday. So just to give you guys a realistic time frame, today is Sunday when I'm shooting this video. Okay, April the 22nd, Sunday morning, I'm shooting this video. So that was on Saturday that I had these trading results. Okay, and let me just quickly mention a disclaimer for you guys. Even with these trading results, the product that I'm using is called iCoinPro. This is a product. Okay, this is the product that I use, and this is all the training that they have right here. So iCoinPro is a product that I'm using in order for me to generate trades on a day-to-day basis. Like I said, these are not bot trades. iCoinPro teaches me a way to trade, and then I go personally and I make the trade myself. So iCoinPro and iCoinPro Trade Finder and its trainers provide an informational service only and are not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and are not guaranteed for future income. Any investment contains risk and is 100% the responsibility of the investor to assess the risks or rewards involved. It is possible to lose some or all of your investment. We assume no liability assumed or implied for your application of the information shared from the training programs. The reason why I put this disclaimer out is because I want to be very ethical in my discoveries and everything that I use. I love this product. I've been using them for almost a year now. In fact, next month will be a year that I'm using this product. And this is April 20th. So you can say today's 22nd. That was the 21st. April 20th, I had even one trade of around 4.42%. So you can see that I'm getting quite a bit of trades with a higher percentage as well, depending on the day-to-day basis. But this is another example of the trading proof that I do have. And I try to post on a day-to-day basis what the trading is like. So that was 20th. This is 19th of April. Okay, so that's 3 days already. You can see that there are some results right here. If you go down, on the 18th of April, again, there is another. So that's 4 days already that you can see results, okay? 4 days that you can see results. And if I scroll down further, you will find another day, which is the 16th of April. Again, more trading results. So that's 5 days of trading results in this week itself. And if you go and you check it out here, all of these will be at least minimum, guys, reaching to a 1% trade. Okay, because that's the minimum kind of profit I would like from each trade that I have. So as you can see, 90, but otherwise here, for example, I had a 5.39% trade that went through, which is brilliant, honestly, because to have such a high trade is phenomenal, in my opinion, a 5% trade. If you scroll up, again, 0.990 is the minimum like I try to reach. But definitely I try to get at least 1% trades on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so you can see that it is what it is. I'm very proud of the success that it has been giving me. This product is phenomenal. And let me just go into iCoinPro a bit. It is a training module, and they have the micro profit system. So what the micro profit system is, I'm going to not show the video to you, but I'll let you know, guys, that in the description of this video, okay, you will find a link that will take you right here. Okay, it will take you to this page here where you can find an exact video of the explanation of what exactly we are doing in iCoinPro, how we are doing it. We're using something that is called the micro profit system. Now the micro profit system allows me to, or teaches me and gives me the tools to trade on a day-to-day basis whenever there's a loss, whenever there's a gain. And the fact that the company sends us signals 24/7, 365 days of the year, all I need to do, they give me a software, a proprietary software, which I cannot sell to anybody. The only way you can get access to the software, which is amazing, I'm going to show it to you right now, just give you an example of it, okay? The only way you can get access to this software is if you have iCoinPro. So quickly, let me show you how the software works. So what the software is doing right now on Poloniex is looking for trades for me. Okay, if I look at RSI SPY, I have an advantage of looking at all these coins. Yes, guys, all these coins, and making an informed decision on how I can trade or no with these coins. So what are you going to do? Are you going to just sit there and watch this increase? Are you going to participate in trading actively, where you can see on my page that every single day I'm getting results, every single day, and this is because I've educated myself to learn a skill. Because I've educated myself to learn a skill, I can go to Poloniex, okay? So you can see right here, the Poloniex is what I use for my trading. I can go to Poloniex and I can make trades on the coins that you see right here on CoinMarketCap. So it's up to you, okay? Honestly, trading for me has been an amazing skill that I've learned, and I will always say that I'm always improving. I never admit that I have all the answers, because I don't. The cryptocurrency market is still young, guys. It is very young, and so having a skill at trading is a good thing, because it's a forgiving market. If you have a bad trade today, tomorrow you can make the profit from it, okay? You're not going to lose out on everything. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. Like I said, I cannot guarantee you anything, and nor does this platform guarantee you anything, but it gives you an unforeseen advantage over others. So are you ready to start your journey? Are you ready to take trading and make it a full-time income, as some of our members in iCoinPro have done already? So You may ask, David, what are the pricing? What's the price, etc., for iCoinPro? So let's go down and quickly let you look at it. This is the pricing, guys. $39.95 per month. Okay, is what would it be if you want to add yourself as a distributor? It's another 40 one-time payment, but otherwise it's $39.95 per month. Or you can save a bit of money going to a 6 months, and you can save even more if you go to a yearly membership. I would suggest, guys, a yearly membership. I've gone on a yearly membership, and I'm going to go on another yearly membership in a month. So definitely recommend the $450 yearly membership, because it's well worth it, and it just makes sense to have the tools in order for me to generate more income for myself and pay about $450 per year on it. That's nothing. So that's about it. That is the whole idea of what I'm exactly doing. I wanted to show you guys real results, because a lot of the times people talk about trading. How do you use cryptocurrency? How do you trade? Should I trade? Is it the right decision to start trading, etc., etc., etc.? I hope this video gives you an idea of the reality of it. And if you're interested in even working especially with me and also seeing more about what iCoinPro does, link is in the description. Okay, have a great day, keep rocking, keep focused, and I hope to see you on the inside. Until then, next video is going to be out soon, so keep an eye on the channel, keep an eye on the channel, keep an eye on the channel. Okay, I've got some awesome training coming out for you guys. Have a great day, have a great Sunday. My name is David Bindo. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.